Reached the return point. Please mount the return position.
See this one? You can see live what the camera on their drone sees. So I'm turning the drone so how the camera image changes. I can adjust the angle up and down as well.
It's gonna come back down.
I'll put it down and we're right here. Ooh. Right there, that's us.
Oh, neat, huh?
Now I'm gonna shoot a laser at it just to see what it does. Let's turn the camera angle back up.
Where's it at now?
Over there. See the blue flashing light? See the blue flashing light in the sky? That's it. Shut up, you two. Oh.
How far does it go?
The highest I can take it is 400 feet. It will go higher, but 400 is the legal upper limit. That's to keep airplanes and helicopters safe. And distance-wise, about as far as the eye can see, which would be about 1,000 feet. And again, that's also within the letter of the law. You have to be able to see your drone, or else it's against the law.
The winter sometimes I see like that the drones off. You like to play with them, huh?
Yep. Well, do you mind if I smoke cigarettes?
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Okay. There's some people object to it, that's why I asked first.
I was just bored. I'm gonna see what you were doing. I'm just waiting for my son. When I see him walking, because I don't like to walk out by myself.
Fly it out this way some.
You have an extra cigarette?
Sure. Let me bring this drone back here a little. If it goes down for any reason, I still want to be able to get it.
And if you let go of the controller, it just stays up?
If you let go of the controller, it just stays put.
Oh.
See where it is now? It'll still be there when I give you this cigarette.
I'll smoke it with you. I'll smoke it right there.
You need some fire?
There's like drones that cost $10. Those are just for little kids, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
Let me see what's wrong with one either.
Let's say again. Shut up, Chester, Mad Chest. Quiet. Alto.
Did her son get better? Because I know he was sick.
I don't have a child.
Huh?
Yeah, you say.
No, I said, did her son get better?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, he's much better now, yes.
Because there's like a flu going around everywhere. I got sick, my son got sick.
Yep. And Allie got sick, and I caught it from, I got sick too. I'm just now getting over it.
Me too, I got over it already. That's why it's good like to walk and sweat. So you can sweat it off. Because I see people, they just throw it on the bed.
Yeah.
You just gotta try to get strength to get back up. And I drank a lot of Pedialyte.
A lot of what?
Pedialyte.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Because all the doctor's gonna do is just give you they're not gonna give you nothing.
Nope.
They're not gonna give you nothing for it.
Oh, here comes Alejandra.
What happened to the truck? Oh, it's in the truck. And it's still early, huh?
Yeah, it's about
9.
About 9-ish. Let's check here. Yeah, 8:54.
Time goes by so slow.
Hi, Allie.
I put some to mix it.
Yeah, okay.
Buenas noches.
You're welcome, Allie. Yes. Oh, I always do. You're very welcome, Allie. Let me get this so I can see around the tree here. The flashing white light on the top, that's so that helicopters and airplanes up higher can see it.
Why didn't this side off? Here, go to that side, it's people talk, people fighting.
Actually, let me bring it down a little.
I didn't,
You know, fly it down farther
how do you
that
know
way.
that it won't run into nothing? You just gotta bring it like towards this way?
No, I have to prevent it from running into things. You know, they make drones that have collision avoidance sensors on them, but they're way too rich for my butt. And drop the camera angle down here. I'm going to be landing it in a few more minutes here as the battery's starting to poop out. Jester, Matt, just settle down.
Sometimes I see you like driving to the store in your little car, huh?
Just say again.
Sometimes you're driving on your little car to the store, huh? You know what I noticed? Now everybody has to have lights on their bikes, huh?
Yep. But lights on your bikes is not a law. It's just a good idea. But flashing lights on your drones, that is a law. Not just a good idea.
Dude, I remember when people used to ride in back of the trucks.
Yep.
And they took that law out. One time, a couple of months ago, I seen some people driving kids in the back. Oh, God.
Jeez. Huh.
Can you imagine?
Oh. Not even.
Oh, God. They put kids in the back.
Yep.
Just keep on driving.
Jeez.
I think they took that because of an accident that happened during that time. They took that law out.
Could very well be, yep.
It could go like as far as that over there.
I can probably make it down to Shields.
That far?
Yep. But I don't want to do it at night because I can't see obstacles very clearly.
Oh, yeah, because the post and stuff, huh?
Yep, yep. Oh, the battery's starting to crap out, so... Okay.
Low battery warning. The drone is under return to home soon. Cancel return.